Sprayers today have a ton of nozzles to tend to. Removing tight-fitting nozzle tips for cleaning or changing can be a chore that wears on fingers, says farmer Neil Walter of Oglesby, Texas. To spare his digits, he set out to create a tip changer. Neil uses PVC pipe that just fits over the spray tip cap. In the case of his sprayer, a 3/4 inch diameter length of PVC pipe worked perfectly. Next, Neil cut a couple of notches in the pipe to allow it to grab the ears of the cap. To make the tool easier to use, he added a 1-inch bushing at the end of the pipe, giving his hands something better to hold on to. Now, I made 2 variations for different caps depending on the manufacturer. In this case, I made one using an 1.5 inch PVC pipe, using the notches to go over the cap, and another using just an elbow. Again, this gives you more leverage to be able to remove those caps. Now, if you're ready to hack your farm shop, give us a follow and discover more shop hacks like this at agriculture.com/shophacks.